and welcome back to Brainwash. We know we said we wouldn't review individual movies or web series, but we can always make exceptions for content that is particularly good or really bad. Today, we are going to make an exception for the brilliant web series that is Kota Factory. The first season of Kota Factory came back in 2019 on TVF's YouTube channel and told us an engaging story about IIT aspirants in the town of Kota, Rajasthan. The second season of the show, which is accompanied by the Tudum of Netflix, picks up right from where the first season had left off, but with the difference of showing larger scale problems that these students have along with the smaller scale problems. The first season of the show was a breezy watch because the problems tackled in the episodes were minor regular inconveniences that these IIT aspirants had. The second season of Kota Factory, however, looks at the larger scale issues that these students actually face. The first episode itself starts off with a number of students questioning their choice of taking IIT, why they should take it and should they leave it for some other field. And the first episode does feel heavy compared to the entire first season, with Vaibhav also adjusting to the new learning culture with Maheshwari classes, but then the episode somehow gets back to its normal speed when the evergreen Jeetu Bhaiya comes onto the screen. And the show never falters again throughout the season. Directed by Raghav Subbu, this season of Kota Factory also has much longer episodes as compared to the first season of the show, which means the writers get a chance to build its characters properly. While Jeetu Bhaiya was a memorable character in the first season, he wasn't the one getting a lot of screen time or backstory. That changes in the second season as we see more of Jeetu Bhaiya and a few other characters. A few new characters have been introduced as well. Also, almost every main character in the show gets a good storyline. And once again, the show captures the mahol of Kota, as they say, especially in the last episode. The show's biggest strength, though, is that it gets the viewers emotionally invested in its characters. The narrative effortlessly depicts a wide range of emotions such as angst, anxiety, love, friendship, optimism, and hope in these characters. And we end up feeling the same emotions that they feel. Jitendra Kumar as Jeetu Bhaiya plays a pivotal role as the teacher and the mentor to these students. And every time he's on screen, he steals the show. When he gives a motivational speech, it feels like he's talking to you personally and giving you important life lessons along the way. Mayur More also plays Vaibhav to perfection. He's still a little unsure about himself, but he's slowly gaining the confidence of being an IITian. He also shares great on-screen chemistry with Meena and Uday, both of whom shine again as the selfless friends who are here for comic relief at times, but also have their own share of unique problems. Like Meena with his unique issue in the second episode, while everyone else gives a very consistent performance. The show is further elevated with some wonderful cinematography and some really nicely done background score. The camera at times lingers on a particular scene for a longer time, especially with its close-up shots, giving us the feeling of claustrophobia from the perspective of these students. The background score also brings a feeling of melancholy in the entire show. And with the addition of songs like Amit Trivedi's Main Ladlunga, it all just gives the right vibe to the situation. There's just this one minor negative thing to this show. It's that we wish we could see more details to the stories of these students who are contemplating quitting. It could have given us a larger and a better perspective into the entire show. But let's hope that they cover it up in the third season, as there are a lot of unfinished storylines from the second season, especially after that cliffhanger at the end of the finale. Kota Factory, just like its first season, perfectly captures the day-to-day lives of these IIT aspirants in the town of Kota. Their struggles and their vulnerabilities are depicted to us very nicely. It also shows us how the market of the coaching industry in Kota actually works, how students' accomplishments are used as marketing campaigns, which I must add was really well done. Overall, with a good production value, a compelling story, wonderful direction and the technical aspects, and an outstanding cast, Kota Factory is definitely a must-watch. So guys, this was our review for Kota Factory Season 2. Do let us know in the comments below what did you think about this series. Also, let us know in the comments below what are the videos you want us to make next. Follow our social media handles to get to know us better, like and share this video, and subscribe to Brainwash for more videos like these.